Picking up speed.
Yep. Spinning, but it just keeps on going.
I know. Not bad though. Not bad.
190 and 180. 190 and 180.
190 and 1/8. Yeah, I think he's pretty upset. I think did some pretty good wheelies though. Yeah, poor kid. Not sure if he didn't have enough weight on the front end or if
I think you're gonna do a recall.
hope so. Looks like they're doing a repull. Not sure if he don't have enough weight on the front end or if he doesn't have very good clutch control, but
The chain wasn't tight, so they do a recall.
not sure what model it is, but it's a 60 or 70 something wheel horse. I know that. Yeah, a lot better. Yeah, that's going to be pretty tough to follow for not having any weights and chains on the rear end and having the stock inches.
191 and 180.
191 and 1/8. Up next, it looks like a Case International or something. Kind of hard telling where we're at though. on, keep going. Yeah. Yeah, that was a good run.
With 195.
Yep.
195.
195. There we got a Case International. Fine old 10 horse, 12 horse coal or something. Yeah. And still, for not having any weights on the back, though, it was pretty good.
$195.
195 and 7/8. Alrighty. Up next here, it looks like a 68, possibly. Cub International 105 or 108 or something like that. $165 and a half. Yeah. The last of the good Cubs right there. The last of the Cub International. Yeah, that was pretty good. Not sure what model that was, but it was a 70-something or 80-something Cub IH. And it sounds good. 191 and 7/8.
Good ducks.
Looks like we got some kind of Murray right here. Something weird. I don't know. I'm not sure what it is, but I like it. 5.8. Up next is some whacked up looking Sears. Really whacked up looking Sears. Some tells me it's gonna do pretty well. That thing is just a screaming. Shooting at us. Cool wheel horse down there that I want to see. Real cool wheel horse. $191 and a quarter. So there's that wheel horse I was talking about. After this, it's probably going to have to lead into another video. Yeah, that's it.
$195.5. $195.5.
195 and a half.